Man lost his life by train in St. Catherine. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man was reportedly crushed to death by a train in the parish of St. Catherine. Reports are that the man was standing close to the track in the Cotton Piece area of Ewerton, St. Catherine on Friday when the incident occurred. Full details as to how he ended up on the tracks are still unclear up to the publication of this report. The incident comes just a little over a month after another man was struck down and his leg severed in the same parish. This time was in Macrookspen. Reports in the incident in Macrookspen are that at about 4:45 p.m., the man was sitting on the train track when the incident occurred. One resident in the area said that the man lost a leg as a result of the impact. In October 1992, Public Railway Transport Service ceased operation in Jamaica, although private industrial lines continue to operate in part today. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.